Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order from the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. And on the bottom on the menu bar you can select the second icon, and here you will select what kind of product would you like to order. For example, perfume, makeup, hair, body, skin, let's say hair styling, and this one. Then tap on to cart on this black button. You add it to your cart. By tapping on the plus you can add more of this item. By tapping on the minus you can leave just one or how much you would like to. Then go to your cart on the bottom in the middle in the menu bar. Then go to your order, tap on this black button. You have to select the delivery details. You can take from the shop, or you can get delivery to your home, and you can select the company who will you deliver. You have to add your address, your street number, and the company if you would like to order for a company, and tap on save. After you tapped on save, then you will have to add your card number. Tap here pay. Then you can pay at the delivery. You can pay by card, Google Pay, and tap on save. Then tap on order. And after you ordered it, you will get it in a few days by delivery to your home. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.